Okay guys, this is an update on the Onuimo to Abia Tower road reconstruction and expansion that is going on. So I'm going to be showing you guys how far the road has come already. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Watch this video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. Then see, and then so I'm driving from around Abia Tower and I'm taking you guys to Onuimo so that you can see how far the work going on in this road have come so far. This is the Onuimo stroke Abia Tower road reconstruction and expansion that is being done by the Abia state government. As you can see, heavy-duty trucks, heavy-duty machines are doing their job. You can see the red sand they are filling on the road. Even the truck you are seeing in front of me, now still work they do for this road. You can see men. You can see the drainage system is fast approaching Abia Tower. This is around Umuahia Hospital, School of Nursing Umuahia. So I'm driving down. Watch this video down to the end so that you can see how men are seriously, working here, how the construction company is seriously doing their job, trying to deliver this road on time. If the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my videos. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the videos. So as you can see, the road is a little bit dusty, of course, because of the numerous work that is going on here. You can see this side of the road. Caution, they don't block them, you understand? So we are using this lane because of the work that is going on the other side. As you can see, my brother, they are really fast though. I don't believe say by this time say they could don't reach this level. You understand? The expansion of this road is going to really help the state, because if you pass through this road festive season like December, the type of go slow way they happen for here due to the fact say the road previously na just 2 lanes, but now the Abia state government don't say no, make them do it nice. Now na 4 lane do a carriage. You understand? Now it go really help well. So guys, just watch the video down to the end, make you see waiting they go on, because work day every. If you just drive from here to here, you go see heavy duty machine they work, you go see truck they carry sand, you go see men they do drainage and all that. You understand? So just watch the video down to the end and then tell me what you think. Do you think the road is, do you think it's taking shape fast? Do you think they are delaying? For me, they delay. They put in a lot of work here. So just tell me what you think for comment section.